Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll, and tonight I come to you with touch-ups on the Shirley Temple doll. So here we have the neck of the doll. I hope you're seeing what I'm seeing. I need to paint all around here. For some reason I got some red up here, and that was not from yesterday. Somewhere I mucked her up. But let's just take a look for a quick moment here at her blushing and how nice it turned out. There's her cheeks, and right around the belly button and the chest area. Oh, she turned out gorgeous. All right, so anyhow, we need to get this looked after. So what I'm going to do is we're going to, I mucked up my favorite brush. It's got red on it, so I can't use it again. I mean, I can use it for some other things. It is cleaned and everything, but you're always afraid that little bit of red might just show up, and I got enough red going on this doll here. But anyhow, let's get her painted up around here. This is what we're going to do. She needs this really bad. This is where, and we'll be doing this over and over again, like give her the 5 coats and make sure that she's well looked after. Okay, we can get in on this here. Now, I want to talk about what I did yesterday and why you should not do what I just did. Like I said, I don't know what goes on in my mind. I just jump all of a sudden. I've been known to do this throughout my life about things. But okay, let me start with. I should not have blushed. I should have done my touch-ups and just finished the touch-ups. That's what I'm trying to say. But my mind gets ahead of myself. Next thing you know, I'm off racing through the gates and I'm gone and you can't get me back. I've done that all my life. It's a habit I have. And but it's okay. You know what? I just have to be careful not to ruin what I just did. And guess what? I can always spray it again if I need to. But I'm not going all the way down to the chest level anyways because I've done it very well, you know. But you know what? I should have finished all my touch-ups first, then done my blushing. But I was excited to get going on it. I don't know. I just wanted to see her done, some life in her. You know, that part done. And I'm glad I did it now. But could it have waited? Yes, it should have waited. But oh well. You know what? On goes life. And we're going to just move on. There we go. And now we have, well, this is not done by no means, but we do have this area done, like started at least. And there we go. And this is what I do. I just sit here and I'll paint the arms later at another time. Should not have done that now after all the things I tell you I shouldn't do, but I just did. But anyways, that looks good. So what we're going to do is put her upside down on her her paper towel stand. Okay, so I painted around there. You can still see there's still some of the composition coming through, which means she needs more coats. But we'll give them those to her. We're not done, by no means, on her. And we'll get that all looked after, and for sure. She's going to look wonderful, you know. And she'll catch up on her coats in that area. But again, you have your, I hear Dodie's Restoration, Tammy, remember your steps. She knew what I was like, how I jump. Remember your steps, Tammy, remember your steps. And I hear that, but I also ignore it. But hey, that's just how it goes. Live life on the dangerous side. That's what I say. Oh, well, life goes on. So, now, let's do the same. Her cheeks are dried. Let's take a look at Shirley Temple's face. Her cheeks are nice and dried. Oh, they look good. I can touch them. No red on my finger or anything. Oh, she looks delightful. Nice and red and rosy. Oh, I loved it. So, but we need to deal with this part of her. And that's what we're going, whoops. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to deal with this underside of her now. So, we'll get that done. My limbs don't need anything, but it's this part in here that does. All around underneath the neck area. Now she's going to stay in this because, well, maybe I can pick her up and put her on her, no, it leans. No, we'll just leave her in this here. And that's good enough. We'll just do that instead. So now we're just going to do this undercarriage part of her around the neck area. Now this is the part that gets really worn too because of moving the head around, especially back in the day when she was meant for play. They took a lot of wear. Where today, she won't be doing that. Her stresses on her head will be a lot less than what they were back in her day when she was meant for actual play. So what we're going to do is just get her After I'm done, I'm throwing this paint away because I'm still getting, I don't know, I hope you saw that. I still was getting flecks of red just now in my paint. A lady was saying something to me how she mixes the red up first and breaks it down, and then she puts it in, where I just squeeze it in. I think I'm going to start doing that. It's breaking my paint down, thin it down a bit, and just break it down and then pour it in, because this is the first time I've ever had this problem. I painted quite a few dolls and never had that problem before, but this time I am. And real lesson taught to me here. Maybe it's something I can do to help prevent some of this. But there we go. She's painted around the part of her neck where her head attaches to her body. And we'll be doing this again. And that's all she's in need of. Her arms and legs are fine. I've already done those. But yeah, she's looking really, really nice. Now before I go, I'm going to set her off to the side. I'm going to wipe my brush off here. I try to wipe off all the extra first, then put it into the paint thinner, because you don't want your paint thinner just to fill up on paint. It does enough of that already. All right, so lessons. I'm learning all the time, my lessons, you know, of what to do and what not to do. So, but anyways, I want to show you something that I bought. Okay, and my hands got paint on them too, so I can't show it to you just yet. And now my arm. See, I think I hit this here. Okay, there we go. Now tomorrow, I'm hoping, if it rained all day here today, and it just poured. So I'm hoping tomorrow I'm going to do Sunsuit Sunday. I've got many dolls ready. They're up and ready to go, and they have their sunsuits on. They're ready to be showing off. Some are newer sunsuits, some are vintage. So I hope you enjoy what you're about ready to see. I got a few more dolls to dress, and then I'm ready to go. And that's what I'm going to be doing tonight in here in my shop. I'm going to get them ready. And there we go. We're going to put this off. Now, I was at the thrift store the other day there, and I found this quaint little dress. And it's not a dress I would ever put on my own child, but it's such, for doll-wise, I loved it. I love how it looked and everything. And I showed it to my daughter, and my daughter even went, "Oh, that's different." But I would never put this on my daughter. I don't think I would. I don't know how I would show her off, and because it's made for, I think, 3 months or 3 to 6 months. Let me take a look again. I got to show this dress to you. Oh. What does it say here? 1 year? It feels like it's made out of suede or something. But anyways, I paid $6 for it. But it's a quaint little dress. It's very growing up. It's got the big, beautiful pearl brooch tie on it with these great big buttons and everything. Look, very old lady fashion type thing. It's a very different material. Like, almost feels like suede. Very different little dress. Like I said, it's not a very big dress. Okay, we'll say 6 to 9 months maybe. I don't know. It's just so adult. I almost want to put like an old lady hat with it. I don't know. Big thick black shoes with it. I don't know. I just I really got it for my monkeys. One of my monkeys to wear. Probably Mary Lou would like this because of all the, buttons and everything. But yeah, this is what I got. It's called One Friday. That's what it's made by. One Friday. I don't know who bought this and who put this on their poor child, but I don't know. Maybe it looked good. Maybe I shouldn't say anything. Maybe it looked really darling on them. I don't know. It's an image that I can't picture in my mind, a child wearing this. An older if this was made bigger for an older person, maybe, but I don't know. For one of my monkeys, I think it would look great. Or maybe one of my dolls, I can put it on. It's just different, and that's why I want it, because of how different it was. But it's got like a suede feel to it. Like, it's like, I don't know, it's just different material. Like, it's not suede, I can tell, but it has a suede feeling to it. It's almost like I don't want to say felt either, but it's a real funky material anyways. There's nothing else in here to say differently, but oh, here we go. Maybe this will tell us. Do not wash, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, warm iron, dry clean. This is a dry clean dress, made in India. See reverse side. Yeah, it tells you that. So this little dress has to be dry cleaned. Oh my goodness, maybe because it is suede. It's a suede little dress. Yeah, I don't know, but I liked it. There you go. That just tells you. So maybe I'm onto something that I said it was suede. because it just feels like you go brush one way, then you brush it down. It's got another feel, like almost like your rug. You brush up, you know, and you get one color, it darkens, and down the other way it lightens up. It's a funky little dress. It's different. And that's the only reason I picked it up. I didn't mind paying the $6 because of it being different. Otherwise, $6 would bother me on a dress, but not this one. I did not read the, how to take care of this dress until just now with you. So, anyways, thought I'd show this little dress to you. It sure is different. Even the back has a little pearl button. Like, it is just, I don't know, ridiculously different. I'll put it that way. I hope you enjoy seeing it. But it's going to go on one of my dolls, hopefully coming up here. Be great for the fall, maybe, I guess. So, but anyways, I got to get this where this tie is at the front. I got to show this tie off. The tie really needs to be at the front because it just oozes jewelry for Mabel. Not Mabel, Mary Lou. Mabel's my cat. But anyways, I thought it was just cute. Anyways, okay, enough about the dress. Have a great night, everybody. I'm coming back tomorrow with some more when it comes to Shirley Temple, so stay tuned. More to come. Thanks for joining me and dropping in. And to all my new subscribers, welcome. I hope you're enjoying the channel. I'll have more to come, though. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.